Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 94 of 3 words and expressions of a handwriting day. Quick review first. 歌曲 song. 听见 hear. 说话 speak. 椅子 chair. 桌子 desk. 笔记 note. Now follow me to learn 慢点快点跟上 in Chinese characters. 慢点慢慢点 means slow down. Why not slow down some? 为什么不放慢点速度？慢点，慢 slow. 慢点点慢点 slow down. 慢点快点 the opposites. 快点快点 means be quick. Be quick, we are late. 快点，我们要迟到了。快点快点be quick. Next one. 跟上跟上上跟上 means keep up with. 跟上 How can I keep up with her pace? 我如何才能跟得上她的脚步？跟上足字旁 means foot 跟上跟上 keep up with.慢点，慢点，慢点 slow down. 快点，快点，快点 be quick. 跟上，跟上，跟上 keep up with. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.